Hi there. If you are new to PHP and you are a beginner and you want to learn PHP, then you are on the correct place. So here I have created this basic of PHP playlist. So if you want to learn PHP, just follow this playlist in this order in which I arrange here. And this playlist covers everything related to the basic of basics of PHP, and then you can move to the advanced PHP. But this is the starting point. So in this playlist, I have cleared all the concept of PHP. So go and watch out the playlist. Link is given into the description section.